You know, not changing oil really saves you money. You know, what's a few dollars for an oil change when you can just replace a whole engine? Yeah, you probably shouldn't have enough grit in there. Like I'm rubbing my hand in here, and it feels like 50 grit sandpaper. You know, the ones that really rough. That's what this feels like. Cause that all this is in here. That was in the 5.3. So this has about 270,000 miles. I did the valve seals after I bought it from the previous owner, but they said they had stopped changing the oil on it. So I knew this thing was a dumpster fire, but it shouldn't look like that. My God. Hey, they said put a new caliper on it, so you know it's good to go for a few more minutes. This isn't good. How much longer do you think the engine has? I'm thinking 2 to 4 minutes. This is not good.